Hi, I'm Eddie Wu, and I'm a mathematics teacher. I think it's a really common struggle that many people, students and adults alike, have experienced, that they maybe were encountering a problem and they couldn't arrive at that final number, or the final number they arrived at wasn't the one that the teacher was searching for. And for me, I think that's that experience there of not being able to get there. It sort of really takes the wind out of someone's mathematical reasoning and thinking and self-concept, because how do they end that experience? They just end it feeling like a failure. I think back to the lessons of storytelling, and you can have a movie or a play or a book that has a kind of average beginning, an okay middle, and it has a great ending. Then you come out of it thinking, that was amazing. And conversely, it's true, you can start off with a great punch and have a very amazing, surprising middle, but if you end in a way that is dissatisfying and sort of leaves you deflated, you go away from that experience very much disliking it. And there's an emotional sort of resonance there with, like, that was not a great experience. And many people feel mathematics that way. They forget about the journey that they took to understand, what were all these pieces? How did they all fit together? And then I made some routine arithmetic error that meant my number out the end was 10 times larger than it was supposed to be. And just because my decimal point was in the wrong spot, I feel like all of the things that I went through before were meaningless. And so I think that emphasis on the endpoint is dangerous in that way. The endpoint is not worthless. It's one of the most powerful things about mathematics, that it can solve problems that you might think are insurmountable, but through the application of logic and reasoning, we can get there. But if we emphasize that at the expense of all of these other things, all of the reasoning and thinking and collaboration and talking and dialogue to arrive at that point, I think we sell our students a false bill of goods about what mathematics is.